YouTube, what's going on with y'all kinfolk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy. Weezy L baby, please say the baby. Back on the scene with a pocket full of green. And you know we go back like 2 flats on the Cadillac. Welcome to the channel, man. Oh my God. Bruh, y'all see it in the title. StockX did it again, bruh. They did it again. But it ain't what you think it is now. You gotta watch the entire video for this. But before we get started, y'all know what I need for y'all to do. I need for y'all to Hulk smash that subscribe button for your boy, man. Hey, this your first time over here, bruh. You ain't got no choice but to do it. That thing free. Make sure you hit that like button as well, cause that's free too. I mean, come on now. And if you return it and you haven't subscribed yet, like, come on, just go ahead and do the damn thing. You feel me? Do the damn thing like Spike Lee. Do the right thing, man. Like Spike Lee. Do the right thing. But nah, man. Y'all been showing out, man. We almost at 2K and bruh, like, I'm like crazy excited. But that's another story for another day, man. Now, like I just said, StockX did the damn thing again. But what can I say? Now, the sneakers I ordered, I'm probably giving it away. I wanted these sneakers so bad. Y'all know I'm a Lakers fan. Obviously, I'm wearing one of my Lakers jersey. I know I'm kind of fat right now, but once your boy start back running and everything, you know, we're gonna get some slim slow up in this bad boy, you feel me? But nah, man, y'all know I'm a huge Laker fan. Like, Kobe was my favorite player, still my favorite player all time. Like, RIP to my boy Bean. Y'all see I got one of the magazines up here. One of the posters, little card posters and everything. I got Kobe jerseys, Kobe shoes. So I'm a diehard Laker fan, man. Like, got the Lebron pops, one of my many Laker hats. Like, if you know me, y'all already know, man. Lakers over everything. I ain't never been a bandwagon fan, even though we got a lot of LeBron bandwagons on the Lakers right now. I don't like it, but I like Bron because hopefully he can win us a championship. And basketball is back. And being that basketball is back, I had to have these shoes. So let's go ahead and get into it. Shout out to StockX for this. Like I said, they did the damn thing again. Now, we gonna open these things up. Hey, and shout out to Amazon too, man, for my AirPod holder. I got a Kobe AirPod. Man, y'all know Kobe my boy, man. Like, that's my favorite player all time. But let's go ahead and unbox these things, man. Ooh, boy. Oh, my Lord. Golly. It don't want to come out. Pause. You guys see it? The LeBron 7 box. Oh, my Lord. It's kind of beat up. I don't know. I guess it came from overseas, but who cares? Y'all see the box. LeBron 7 box. Hey, man. I hope these ain't fake, man, for real. Ooh, Lord. Size 12 for y'all. Let y'all see that thing. Y'all know that 12-piece shawty over here. Nike LeBron 7 QS, court purple, white, amarillo. Bruh. I want these sneakers for a long time, man. What is this? Don't care about that. Golly, boy. Oh. Receipt. Don't care about that. Ooh. Bruh. Look at these things. Look at these things. Oh my Lord, bro. I'm finally glad I got this in my collection. Y'all just don't know the half. Ah, man. Let's go ahead and get into it. Y'all already see it. The LeBron 7 Media Day Lakers colorway. Man, oh my God. I'm uber excited that I have these. Finally wanted these in my collection, and I had to pull the trigger on it, man. I had a couple extra dollars in my pocket, so your boy just had to pull the trigger, man. I don't know what to tell y'all. Really had to pull the trigger on these. This was a sneaker I wanted ever since I saw LeBron in these. And bruh, when they came on the sneakers app, they flew. Now I know a lot of people tried to go after these for some reason. Like I said earlier, we got a lot of Laker bandwagon fans because LeBron James play for the Lakers now. But I am a die-hard Laker fan. I don't cheer for any other team. Got a couple favorite players, but dog, these joints dope. And I hate StockX. Man, I don't care about no StockX verification tag, man. Y'all gotta. I don't need this on my sneaker, man. Like, give me some scissors and cut it off. But boy, oh boy. Now, I've seen a lot of people in the YouTube community with these. I think Chaotic got it. I know What the Sneaker has these. I don't know who else. I can't think of who else, man. We've seen a lot of videos. Fomer Simpson. Fomer Simpson was one of the first persons that I saw with these on YouTube. The guy from Wear Testers, Nightwing. Bruh, I can't wait to give y'all on foot with these, but I gotta tell y'all about this sneaker. Now, we already know LeBron wore these this past season, but last summer for the media day prior to the NBA season. And what's going on right now, Corona put a halt to the season, but the season is officially starting back up at the end of the month. Just, man, I'm excited. I've been missing watching basketball. I've been watching old basketball games, college, high school, all kind of stuff, man. And to have the NBA back, I think I bought these sneakers at the right time. I always had a LeBron jersey, and y'all know I got a lot of Lakers sneakers because of my love for the Lakers, especially with Kobe Bryant. Got a lot of Kobe sneakers and a lot of Lakers stuff, man. All right, now let's get into this sneaker. Starting with the sole. Starting with the outsole, this is a modified herringbone outsole. Let y'all see that. Hopefully it'll focus for y'all. All right, and along the midsole, we got full length zoom around the sneaker. Now, the yellow sneaker has purple paint splatter on it, which I don't really care about like that. And the purple sneaker has the yellow paint splatter. I really don't care too much about the paint splatter, but I think it's giving more details to the sneaker, which, I don't know. Like I said, I really don't care about it that much, but kudos to Nike for doing that. All right, now heading up into the upper, we have white leather. It ain't tumble leather. It's not premium. I don't know what type of leather this is, but it definitely feels good though. Like I said, it ain't tumble or anything like that. But I'm guessing, hey, since they figured some people might be playing ball in these, like they don't really need to put premium leather on it. But I think they should have put premium leather on these. But nonetheless, I like it. Heading up into the upper where the Nike swooshes are, we have fly wire on that thing. Ooh man, it's something crazy about that fly wire. Heading up into the swoosh of it, that fly wire crazy. I'm mad they packed my sneaker like this, man. The sneaker look bent. Look a little bent, feel me? Alright, and we have inverse laces with the inverse sneaker. The purple side has yellow laces, and the yellow side has purple laces. I love that. Also on the other side, we got that LJ23 on that thing. Ooh, man. Then heading into the back. Back on the heel, we got L on one side, LeBron, and we got the J, LeBron James. LeBron James. All right, man. So, like I said, I'm excited to have these in the collection, bruh. Y'all already know what time it is. Give y'all some quick B-roll of this thing, and hey, a little on foot. Y'all know I'm excited to do it on foot, but I can't fit half my clothes because I'm fat now. But after that, we're gonna hop right back in front of the camera and send this thing on off, man. let me know in the comment section how y'all feel about these, the LeBron 7 Media Days. Did you cop? Did you miss out? Or are you hoping to possibly get these off of StockX or GOAT in the near future? And hey, I'm glad I finally got these in my collection. I'm not a huge fan of the LeBron line. It's only certain silhouettes that I like. I think the 8s, 9, and 10s might be my favorite. But I'm liking some of the new stuff that he's putting out. I just bought the LeBron Graffiti. Got a review coming soon for y'all with that one. And man, hey Nike, y'all keep doing the damn thing, man. Make sure y'all bring back them 8, 9s, and 10 LeBrons. I need them. I need them ASAP. You feel me? But nah, man, this been your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, GOAT Weezy. Hey man, y'all know I love rocking with y'all. I love the fact that y'all rocking with your boy. It's crazy, man. Dang, we almost at 2K. I can't believe it. I never thought I'd even make it this far. But y'all rocking with me, man. So hey, I'm rocking with you, you know. Talk to me, I talk back, you feel me? But hey, it's been your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, GOAT Weezy. And as always, sending everybody love, peace, and put some chicken grease on that beef. Out of here.